meets the harbor road, the river runs its silver load. Past benches worn by wind and rain, where golfers swing through mist and flame. The water of Cruden whispers slow by stones that still remember so. A name that carried from far off hell now softly rests, the Dardanelles. Oh, Cruden Bay, your heart still tells of love and loss, the Dardanelles, where peace now lies, the stories swell in Cruden Bay, the Dardanelles. They came back home with weary eyes from sunburned shores and foreign skies, and found this stream, this quiet bend, to mark the fallen and the friend. A soldier's word became a name, a bridge between both grief and fame. And here the northern sea can tell the tale that breathes, the Dardanelles. Oh, Cruden Bay, your heart still tells of love and loss, the Dardanelles, where peace now lies, the stories swell in Cruden Bay, the Dardanelles. And Trygvi's wings across the foam flew east to find his way back home. From bay to fjord, from field to sky, he left his mark where gulls still cry. Now children play where poppies bloom, and time has softened every wound. But if you sit and listen well, the past still hums, the Dardanelles. Oh, Cruden Bay, your heart still tells of courage, hope, the Dardanelles, where river meets the North Sea's swell, forever sings the Dardanelles.